Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to find draft posts on Facebook. Drafts can be a lifesaver when you want to save your thoughts for later. So, let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section. This is where you can compose your post. Step 3. Type your post as desired. You can include text, photos, or videos. Step 4. Tap the left arrow icon located at the top left of the screen. This will take you back to the previous screen. Step 5. Tap on Save as Draft. This will save your post as a draft for later access. Step 6. You will receive a notification with your draft. This notification will appear in your notifications panel. Step 7. Click on the notification to find your drafts. This will take you directly to your saved drafts. Please note that Facebook drafts remain active for only 3 days. Make sure to publish or delete them within that time frame. And that's it. You now know how to find draft posts on Facebook. It's a simple process that allows you to save your thoughts and ideas for later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.